Coming up in this video, I've got an absolute cracker of a cocktail that you can make at home, make in your pubs and bars using JJ Whitley's amazing Toffee Vodka liqueur. It's only, what is it, 28% ABV, but it's an absolute belter. Stay tuned. Hey drinks fans, I am Steve the Barman, and I'm hoping these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite drinks, your favourite spirits even more. Today's video, Toffee Vodka liqueur from Whitley Neill, 28%. It's a decent strength, decent ABV. Before we crack on, a big shout out to my Patreons. We've got Mark, we've got Ben, we've got Christopher, we've got Lucy. Thank you so much for your support over the last sort of month or so. So thank you very much. Right, let's crack on. Names of the cocktails, as I've started doing recently. I'm terrible at naming cocktails, so what I want you guys to do, once you've watched this cocktail, come up with some names, stick it in the comments below, and we'll pick the best one, and that can go into my cocktail book. So without any further ado, let's crack on. We're going champagne flute for this one. So as it's not chilled, I'm just going to chill this down. You can put it in your freezer or whatever you want to do, but I've just got a bit of crushed ice in there. That'll nicely chill it down. We're going to make it in a cocktail shaker. We're going 35 ml of JJ Whitley's Toffee Vodka, 35 ml. I just want a little bit of lemon juice, and we're going 25 ml, sorry, not even that much, 10 ml of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And the thing we want 25 ml of, you can see these behind me, I've just got to work out which side it is, that one. I'm going to start using a lot of these purees. These are shelf-stable purees. Even once open, they'll keep for months. They're just brilliant and pack an awesome flavour. So for this one, I'm going for ODK's raspberry puree. Links in the show notes where you get this from, drink stuff, but show notes, comments, you'll find the link there. Amazing. I just want 25 ml of raspberry puree. There we go. Oh, you can smell. I've got a little bit of a cold and you can smell the raspberry. Amazing. There we go. Perfect. Right, just chuck that in my water to wash out. Right, next thing we just need to do, we're just going to fill that up and with some ice and give it a good shake. There we go. Plenty of ice. Pop your tin on. Get all that raspberry shaken up. So good sort of 10 to 12 seconds. Hard shake. Right, when you are happy, when all that's come together, pop your tin out. Get all that in there. We just want to get rid of our ice out of there. Nicely chilled down, look at that. Give it a shake. Right, I just want to double strain this because I don't want any champagne, any ice in the cocktail. So just going to double strain. Look at that. Toffee, raspberry, oh, lovely. Right, perfect. And that just leaves enough room to finish this off with a little bit of Prosecco, Cava, champagne, whatever you've got, whatever you drink. I've got Prosecco. Pour it slowly because it'll froth up. Look at that. You might just need to give it a very quick stir. Just a very gentle stir, not too much. There we go. And then garnish wise, I haven't got any, but you could do sort of a raspberry kebab on that. Actually, what I think is probably a little bit fun. Actually, I've got one here. Let's just go a bit crazy. We're making these at home, so why not? Let's just garnish with an orange wheel. There we go. And that, as I say, it's kind of a raspberry toffee fizz, but what I want you guys to do, let's taste it. That is a bit cheeky. That's so good. That is really good. What I want you guys to do, come up with your own names, stick it in the comments below, and then we'll pick the best one to go forward into the cocktail book. So there you have it. If you've liked this video, I made a mess of that, did I? If you like this video, give me a like, give me a thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any of my future content, make sure you subscribe and ring the bell to get notified every time I set a new video live. And if you want to become a Patreon, if you want access to my exclusive comment, go and check that out. Again, links in the show notes, links in the comments. But yeah, JJ Whitley's Toffee Vodka. Oh, it's amazing. Cheers.